To invest in index funds on Etoro, start by opening the platform, either through the app or website, and navigate to the Discover section. From there, click on ETFs, which is equivalent to index funds, and browse through the available options. You can filter the ETFs by their 1-year return. For example, to find the most suitable one for your investment goals. Once you've selected an index fund, you can view its charts and other relevant information. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Trade button in the top right corner and set the amount you wish to invest, ensuring you have sufficient funds in your account. You can also set a stop loss, leverage, and take profit. If desired, choose the order type, either a market order, which executes the trade immediately, or a limit order, which buys the fund at a specified price. After configuring your trade settings, click Buy to initiate the purchase. The trade will be executed when the market opens, and the index fund will be added to your portfolio automatically.